Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. This is your chance to start your own investment portfolio. You owe it to yourself to check out this opportunity. This 2-bedroom home needs some TLC, but it has an oversized yard and a newer detached garage. The basement is just big enough for laundry area and some storage with access from inside and an extra outside entrance. Property is close to Gustafson Park.